Hey! Ever heard of the 80-20 rule? It's a game changer when it comes to unlocking financial abundance and success. Here's the deal, 20% of your activities create a whopping 80% of your financial or success abundance. Mind-blowing, right? So, today's task is simple but powerful. Identify your top 20% of activities that are driving most of your success. Take a moment to reflect. What are the key actions that bring you the most results? Write them down. Now, here's the fun part. Double down on those activities. Focus on them like never before. By giving more attention to these powerhouse activities, you're supercharging your path to abundance and success. And guess what? In our Find My Intention workshop, we dive even deeper into strategies to amplify your success in 2024. Get ready to uncover the keys to unlocking your full potential. Ready to unlock your success? Join the Find My Intention workshop and let's make 2024 your year of abundance.